Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the survival settings in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening options. From here, make sure you are in the Game tab, then scroll down and look to the Survival tab. Here you have 6 options which you can toggle on or off. We will go through them all one by one. First is Show Tutorials. When enabled, survival tutorial messages will be displayed on the side of your screen to help guide you through the game, to controls and systems. For first-time players, of course this is recommended, so you can learn how to play the game. If you know already what you are doing, toggle it off. There are Show Survival Quests. When enabled, survival tutorial quests will appear in your objectives to help guide you through the game systems. Same goes for show. It goes the same way as show tutorials. Show HUD pouch on keyboard. Of course, toggle on or off. Show HUD pouch on controller. Show HUD Markers. And HUD deposit to all chests. This lets you automatically add items from your inventory to a chest if it already contains one or more of the same item. I will toggle it on. After you're done customizing the survival settings, simply press the close button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.